How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of goodies that I got for the engine, and a lot of you guys have been asking for a parts list. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of parts that I've gotten over the last 3 months. I haven't posted a video in a while, don't know how long it's been. Sorry about my dog in the background, she hears me talking. But today I'm going to show you guys all the parts, so let's get right into it. Hopefully you guys like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video. So here is the Honda. We got the bumper on, fully on now with the fenders and headlights. Last video I was trimming it, and now it fits perfect. So let's get right into my parts list on this D16Y8. So it's not a stock block, it is built. It has BC rods in it, and it has vitara pistons with springs and retainers, ARP head studs, and a block guard. So stock cam as well. But let's start with the intake. So I'm gonna link the parts below the video on the description, and I'm also gonna show the price and part number on the video as well on the left side of the screen. So first part, we got the skunk 2 manifold, and then on the manifold is a skunk 2 70mm throttle body, and on the throttle body is a skunk 2 4-bar map sensor. And then I just have a stock throttle position sensor on it from Napa. And over here in the back of the manifold, my intake air, my IAC, I looped that so it doesn't run to the throttle body anymore, because I obviously have no port on the intake manifold, and then I just blocked that port for the heater core. And then also that, if you can see that red cap right there, also put a cap on that coolant port on the head, just so no coolant comes out. And then I don't know if you can see, but on the water pipe, right there is welded, because that port right there used to run to the IAC, so that's blocked now too. And now let's get into the manifold. So the exhaust manifold is a top mount T4/T3 manifold from Jackspainia Racing. And the exhaust, I bought it from Bull Boost for a top mount D series turbo. Now the turbo is a Rev 9 62 billet wheel, I think. That's it. And then the oil fitting right here, I got it off of Motion Raceworks, so it fits flush. And then the bottom drain, I got this metal fitting just like this one. I got the drain fitting, a 10AN off of Motion Raceworks as well. And then the drain line, I got it from Vibrant. And then right here we have a 44mm tile wastegate, which is plumbed to a 3-port boost controller. And it is also wired up to my ECU. And then I also have a skunk 2 radiator with skunk 2 radiator hoses. And then back there, we have a Chase Bays brake line tuck kit. So all the stock brake lines and stuff used to go on the firewall back there, but now it's back there with the brake bias that you could turn So yeah, I got that off of Chase Bays. And then the clutch master, that is a Skunk 2-1 or a ktuned, I forgot. I have to go look at the part, but I'll put it on the screen. And then the clutch that I have in this transmission is a Stage 4 ACT 6-puck, or no, it's a 4-puck. I believe it's a 4-puck. I'll put it on the screen. And then the feed line I just got off of eBay, 4AN. But yeah, that is basically all of the stuff that is on the engine. I have not gotten my engine motor mounts yet, or my motor mounts yet. And I also have not gotten my fuel rail injectors, regulator, and lines to the pump. Which, this fuse goes to my new pump and hanger that I got back there, which I will show you guys in a second. But yeah, that is basically all that is done to the motor as of right now, and the engine bay. So we got the exhaust on, we got the intercooler on, we got the manifold on. Also with the throttle body is all finished up and buttoned up, so that's all good to go. Exhaust is all buttoned up and ready to go. Coolant system is all good to go. Got that all ready to go. Now, in the inside of the car, we got a bunch of wiring that I have been doing. I took off the handle, so I gotta reach in there. But let me get my light real quick. Hold on. Where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. So on the inside of the car, we did a lot of wiring for the fuel pump and my ECU. So we have a lot of wiring down here for the MAC valve, AFR, and high-low boost switch, which is right here. So that's the high and low boost switch. So we got that wired up with the MAC valve, E85 sensor, and AFR. I believe that is all that we have wired down here. So we got all that ran. And we also took out the AC and heater of this car. So the car is fully gutted, except for some of the plastics and dashboard. And then back here is where we got all the goodies. So here's my gauges, oil pressure and AFR. So back here we have this one wire that's running all the way down here for the fuel pump relay, which we have wired up over there. So we got the power and ground and trigger and ground for the stock fuel pump spliced in to the relay. And then down here we just have a radium fuel pump hanger and a AEM 340 pump. So that should be enough fuel for this D16. And then we got the laptop. I did that. So there's the Honda. Also we got some parts back here. So I got the steering delete kit from Chase Bays, as you see right there. That was a pain to install, but it's super nice. It makes the steering feel really good. I recommend that. And then over here we got my ECU right here. So here's the hondata ECU. Has a chip. Those are the wires for the E85 sensor. And then most of those wires are for AFR, boost controller, and high and low boost switch. So those are all the parts that I have for the Honda. If you guys like the video, please like it, comment on what I should do next. Comment what I missed. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next video. And yeah, I'll just try my best to make more videos for this car. Because I definitely have to figure out some wiring issues in the inside of the dash first, so then I could get some power to the ECU. And the next thing is getting my blow-off valve. And then I also have to do my catch can setup. I'll probably make another video of the catch can setup and the blow-off valve when I install all of that. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.